Halina sa KUSINA. So today, guys, this is Pabo Afritada. Pabo Afritada. So we're going to taste this. Yes, it's kind of very tasty. Yep.
You know what Pabo is? It's turkey.
The turkey, very delicious turkey. Like I think this is the turkey right there. So anyway, let's get back to this taste. So Pabo is all these kind of ingredients like turkey, peas, and all these other stuff. Yes, and we got this. You know this bay leaf, and the sauce. You know the sauce. I'm gonna taste some right now. Yeah, well I can't. So just keep on mixing it. It's very tasty. You should cook this. Yep, is. Yo Philippines. So you got these carrots, these other stuff. It's kind of tasty, you know. Like you didn't try this. This is our dish.
So guys, when I heat this bad boy up and have it with some delicious rice. So this is the rice, because rice is nice.
Because you know, rice is gonna always be nice.
So guys, that's the end product of the rice and the afritada.
Yes. Oh man, it was very tasty. It didn't make this, you know. Hanina.
Yes.
What a tasty dish.
Oh,
That's very tasty.
I have a taste in my mouth. Okay.
What a tasty dish.